Team Minotaur leading 2 points to none. Eight minutes of play in this quarter. Casper has to change places with Hugo.
Out. 3, 2, Pegasus.
Look at that. Pegasus in the lead for the very first time.
Out. 14, Pegasus.
He's doing it for the team, that's what he just said. 2 points won. We changed the player on Team Pegasus. There's the first point for our legs.
Pegasus.
We're the Demon fans. Wow.
Pegasus. Out. 5.
There's the second point for Alex.
Pegasus.
Let's welcome Francisco Girondolo.
Out. 6, 4, Pegasus.
See, Pegasus going strong. And there's Ollie. Taking on the UTS Hong Kong champ. Halfway through this quarter, Pegasus leading by 3. And there's the second point.
Pegasus.
Who still believes in Team Minotaur? Are you sure? Who believes in Team Minotaur? Just checking.
Out. 5, Pegasus.
Okay, what happened there? Francisco with another beauty. It's a 1-point game now, 2 minutes and 36 seconds left on the clock. Pegasus reclaim the 2-point lead.
Pegasus.
2 minutes to go, guys. I just want to remind you, you still have your bonus cards. Both teams can still play the bonus cards. Haven't done so far.
Pegasus.
Just 1 point between the two teams, Francisco. What do we need to do now? Can we get any tips for Rulo?
No, we trust Rulo. I think he's our game A in this game. I mean, he's winning every point, so we trust him. Ale, Rulo. The time, Rulo.
Pegasus is using his bonus card. Play.
That's the beauty of UTS. Perfect.
Play.
This is how it works. They played the bonus card, they won the 3 points, and now they are up by 3. Oh my word. Pegasus closing the gap. Heading into the final seconds.
Time is over. 1 points. First team to 15 with the quarter. Out. 14-12.
It's still possible, Casper. You're an expert for these situations. Did you talk to Machac before going onto the court, playing at this stage of 12 points to 14?
Yeah, if he does, he has to win 2 points, otherwise game over. Pretty obvious, no?
One is the beat.
That's not